talk about online matrimony, verification, authenticity important. We tied up with a third party. We launched the verification service across India. We pay extra 500 rupees. We'll come to your doorstep to verify certain information. Not much takers. That also led to that free verification service where get it attested by the notary public. So some more people have become comfortable after initial contact, that have become successful. We also launched a US verification, give the name and basic information, we verify that the information. Again, verifications, when people talk about authenticity, while we launched this feature, did not find much taker for the verification. The initial stages to promote the popular online matrimony, we done a lot of offline event across India, including the world largest matrimony meet we done across the state. For 2 days, around 10,000 people had participated. We done a lot of these local events to create the visibility for the Bharat matrimony. Then it was taking a lot of time, energy, and effort to doing these physical events. So look, we are a technology company. We can do a better way. We innovated a feature called Virtual Matrimony Meet. What is Virtual Matrimony Meet? On every month, for the selected communities, we announce, say, Iyer Matrimony Meet on June 30th at 5 o'clock. So Iyers across the globe can log in that point of time. So the 2-3 hours, everybody available online for you to interact and chat. So offline meets led to the online matrimony meet. Then the health is important criteria. We thought people do the check before the marriage and all those things. We tied up with the Metropolis, launched a special feature where we can go to the Metropolis and get them health checkup for marriage. That did not become successful. So other failed venture was media. We launched Matchmaker, weekly magazine in Mumbai. I ran it for 2 years, did not become successful. We ran a magazine called Desi Matchmaker in US for 3-4 years, did not become successful. We launched a Tamil magazine called Valkai Thunai in Tamil Nadu, 2-3 years. We decided print is not our cup of coffee at this point of time. Having said that, the company always been, do not allow any of past failures to blocking in our future expansion. One great example I can talk about is called the retail expansion which you had done in 2005 and 6 after raise the first round of funding. We set up outlets across India under the brand called Bharat Matrimony Center. Under outlets, combination of company owned and franchisee outlets. We don't have the experience of managing franchising. We do not have the expertise, be the brand strategy and all those things. We lost a lot of money, millions of dollars. We folded all those franchisee outlets. Then once again we realized that what are the mistake you have done. Went back again on the strategy, though the people are against it. Look, you blew a lot of money, and setting up an outlet takes phenomenal amount of energy and effort because choosing the right location, getting the people and all those things, marketing. We went to the strategy of go for state after state. We piloted in Tamil Nadu in 2 years ago. Today we have 165 company-owned outlet across India that people can come for online or offline privilege elite. In a way, we are one of the largest retailer in India. Again, we are adding close to 10 outlets on the monthly basis. Then, yes, all these things are doing to kind of business have been growing, and some interesting features we added was called, everybody has a dream boy or girl. I want to marry someone like Aishwarya Rai. I want to marry someone like Ajit, whatever thing. People have the dream boy or girl. We introduced a feature called upload your dream boy or dream girl. You find a similar looking profile. Obviously, you can't get married to Aishwarya Rai or whatever thing. At least you can find the people photos look alike. We launched a feature, you can upload your dream boy or girl, you can show the similar matching profile. One guy put the photo of monkey, it still shown some profiles. We realized, look, it's a bad feature to have it. Change the feature. Every profile below that, we have a similar looking profile. You're looking at the girl, suppose the girl is rejecting you, below the profile, view similar profile. At least you can get a similar looking girl matching your criteria. So we have the view similar feature. Again, in India, people get married within the cultural background, your religion, caste, language, other things. But you also want to get married to someone, meet your hobbies and interests. Like, I want to marry someone who kind of likes gardening, loves music and all those things. Again, Bharat Matrimony is the only website where you can do the social search. Apart from searching people based on order criteria, it shows that how many people are music lover based on your hobbies and interests. Apart from matching all these things, you can still further fine tune and get the people who match your hobbies and interests. We launched the feature. That feature is there. And Bharat Matrimony has millions of profiles. When you come and search, sometime you'll be like lost, thousands of matching profiles. The new feature recently added was yet to be viewed profile. We've seen, say, 1,000 profile, there are another 5,000 profile yet to be viewed. Always you can go and see that what are the profile you are not viewed. Another failed initiative was mobile. We are the first company to launch SMS-based matrimony service. We got a short code, 50/50. Very beautiful short code. It works well with the matrimony site. We launched way back in 2004 or 5. SMS-based matrimony service did not pick up. We tried other things. Today, we have in all the mobile platform, Android or iPad, iPhone, Nokia, all those things. Today, our Android application, the top 25 in the social category in India. The only matrimony application being part of the top 25. Then we tried TV medium. We tried with the Tata Sky. We had an active matrimony channel. Not become successful. But today we are a digital application. We are on Panasonic Sierra TV, the matrimony application part of it. We are also developing a mobile application for today the digital TVs. So that's happening. So basically the thing is that continuously improve and kind of leverage the opportunity in front of us to kind of get more revenue and more value for the customer. Talking about that innovation, value innovation, we realize that why do all the customers be treated same? There are customers for all kind of segments. Instead of keeping the same service for all the customer, we segmented the customer. That's called as value innovation. What we have done was, we launched a feature called privileged matrimony. The people are so busy, while the world is outsourcing the job to India, you outsource your matchmaking to us. So you charge 20,000 rupees for 3 months. We put relationship associate. She will take care of searching, shortlisting, contacting prospect on behalf of you. So outsource the matchmaking to us, the privileged matrimony. Against 3,000 rupees on Bharat Matrimony, privileged matrimony value innovation, we are able to charge 20,000 for 3 months. Then there are rich and affluent people. We launch elite matrimony. We charge 50,000 rupees for 3 months, and that's a premium category. There are enough and more people. In fact, elites are kind of finding it challenging to get the life partner because mass you have lot many choice. When you go top in the pyramid, the choices become limited. That's why elite matrimony is an invite-only website feature. So that's doing very well for us. Then we realized that what could be the potential competition to Bharat Matrimony? That's always been the question. Any successful company should ask the question, who can tomorrow come and displace us? We realized that, again, right from the beginning, the Bharat Matrimony approach was not single matrimony website. Tamil matrimony, Telugu matrimony, Kerala matrimony, Marathi matrimony. That strategy really worked well for us. So the brand consultant time and again came and told, no, go for one brand. I said, no. Somewhat I stick to the strategy of segmenting works very well for us. Today, Tamil matrimony, people know that how strong in Tamil Nadu, how Kerala matrimony, Bengali matrimony, regional marketing, regional brand, really been one of the core strength of Bharat Matrimony. Then we realized that people still, though Tamilian, Iyer marry Iyer, Agarwal marry Agarwal, the Maratha marry Marathi. We said, to segment further. We create our own competition called community matrimony. Community is what's community? Like-minded people are community. A Christian is a community. Muslim is a community. So we launched all that religion-based site. Christian matrimony, Muslim matrimony, Jain matrimony, Sikh, all the religion-based matrimony site. All the castes, 300 plus caste sites, Agarwal, Iyer, Brahmin, whatever you can think of. Some community may not even know that actually. I was surprised, there's so many communities that exist in India. Then a community is like-minded people. Defense is a community, defense matrimony launch. A diversity is a community, diversity matrimony was launched. 40 plus is a community. After 40, only thing want to get married. So 40 plus matrimony was launched. Then Manglik is a community. Because once you Manglik, your choices are limited. You said, look, I want to get married. Manglik matrimony. Like that, all this segmentation was done. We created our own competition, community matrimony. Today, that has become one of the fastest growing matrimony sites. Today, the third largest. So these are things, kind of continually expanding. We transform ourselves from online matchmaking company into a matchmaking company where you have an online, retail, privilege, elite. Now we are becoming into a matrimony company. What I meant by that was we're expanding into the matrimony space. We launched matrimonygifts.com, exclusive gifting portal for marriage. We're shortly going to get into return gifts for marriage. We've gone international in matchmaking. So Indian success going global. We launched Pakistani matrimony, Sri Lankan matrimony, Bangla matrimony, recently launched Arab matrimony in Arab. So talk about the reason for success, incremental innovation, what I've done, small incremental innovation, and value innovation, Bharat matrimony, privilege, elite, and segmentation, community matrimony, all the segmentation, vertical segmentation, what you have done, and always ask the question, what next, what more? keep expanding, keep innovating. This is what that overall I can talk about the success of Bharat Matrimony. The branding things, when you talk about certain marketing. TV we use for heavily for brand building, and internet we use initially for brand building, now use as brand building plus. We look at cautiously on how it's really working. We have strong data warehouse team. We could able to effectively identify and monetize. We have one of the fantastic team looks at the digital marketing. So TV for mass media and use online for getting the profiles. We use a lot of local marketing, strong strength in local marketing. It's combined with a retail strategy. Every retail outlets, we do a lot of local visibility to drive traffic to the retail outlets, combined with some events.